There he is. Boy, feels like a good one. All right, I'm at the lake this morning, about to do some fishing. Just about wore myself out. This is the 4th trip that I've been on this week. I've had a little time on my hands, so I've been to Erling, I've been to Caddo twice, and now I'm over here. So I'm gonna kick back and relax and enjoy the day, see what I can pull out of here. We're in the post spawn, the water temperature is 66, 67 degrees. So I'm gonna fish around, see if I can figure out what they're biting on, and hopefully I can learn something today. You guys are more than welcome to join me. Let's go fishing. This fishing is about hitting as many trees as you possibly can and moving on to the next one. Just moving from tree to tree. If one's there, he'll bite. If not, we'll just keep moving on. There he is. Oh, I lost that one. Just not doing very good. That's the second bite that I've had. The first one I pitched in there and it carried it off just a little ways and spit it out. So, well, I'm tired and I'm in just a little bit of a hurry. I need to settle down and get to fishing. Be a little more thorough. Sometimes I get in a little bit of a hurry. No need. Looking for my, well, I would say my first bite, but I've already had 2 bites. I just can't get them in. There he is. That's a pretty good one. Thought he was bigger than that. I guess he was hung up in a little bit of grass there. I was thinking 4-pounder, but it's a good start to the morning. There we go. That might have been a bite right there. There he is. Buddy. Well, he came off a tree with it. Well, that was fun. Well, I had to make a bait change this morning after I saw the water's a little bit more stained than what I was expecting, so I just swapped over to June Bug Mag UV Craw, and a little bit darker than that green pumpkin money crawl, and has a little bit more tail action, so I'm gonna stick with this for a little bit. This is one of those days that the fishing's tough. When the fishing's tough, the tough fishermen get going. The rest of them go home. So hopefully I'm not one of them. There he is. Oh, he broke my line. Dang it, dang it, dang it. So I fished there for about 45 minutes without a bite, and finally received a peck and set the hook and broke the line on the hook set. I get a lot of bites on this 30-pound Power Pro. I really like it, and I've caught a ton of fish on it, but it is, you'll break some fish off from time to time. I've been considering going up to 40. That'd probably stop it. There he is. The fish that I broke off has flopped out here a couple times. I figure it's about like this one, just a small one, but you always hate to break them off. Like I was saying, I've been considering spooling a couple of reels up with that 40 and trying it out. At least one reel, and seeing if my bites drop off any. There he is. It's a better fish. I think that's the best fish of the morning so far. Old skinny male. Thank you, buddy. Pretty tough fishing today. We're going 45 minutes to an hour between bites, so it takes a lot of concentration and keeping your head in the game. There, oh, I lost him. I just wasn't ready. Isolated tree out here and had my arm, one arm on my rod. He hit it. I wasn't ready. There he is. Boy, they are fighting hard today. He packed it. He packed it, barely had him hooked. I think the trick is today just getting in front of an active fish. It's Saturday and my beautiful wife is off work. We have some big old steaks I think I'm gonna grill up tonight. I ran into a couple guys that were fishing, and they had been fishing all. There he is. That's a good one. Well, that feels like a real good one. That'll work. Yeah, that's a beautiful bass right there. Real nice one. Thank you, girl. I talked to a couple guys just a few minutes ago bass fishing, and they'd been here all morning and they'd only caught 2, so it's pretty tough fishing. I've been seeing some people move around, and when they're not biting and their bites are hard to come by, it's hard to sit still. There he is. Another skinny one, another skinny male. I had him hooked good. He wasn't going anywhere. All right, bud, appreciate it. Thanks for the tug. Yeah, there's no doubt in my mind that the storm that come through last night kind of messed them up this morning for a little bit, but I think they're starting to come alive. When this water is stained and muddy, you can get up there pretty close to these trees and fish. Don't have to worry about spooking them near as bad. There he is. Boy, feels like a good one. Come on now. He had it for a while. Yeah, that's a nice one. Get you back. All right, I felt him peck it. Man, that was just awesome. Just awesome. I love throwing that braid. All right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try that. Go up to that 40 and try it out. Spool it up on one rod and just see if I get the bites on it that I do on this 30, and maybe that'll stop some of my breaking off. This stuff is a real 30-pound Power Pro, has the diameter of 8-pound line, and I've pulled some fish. I've seen it out of some thick cover with it, but I think sometimes the way that bait gets in their mouth and all, and it gets, you know, maybe comes in contact with some bone just right when you set the hook and it knifes it. Golly, man, they're fighting today. About pulled me out of the boat. Get you back in the water. Thanks for the tug, buddy. got into an area where there's quite a few of those males roaming around. There he is. It's only one fish per tree. That's all you get. You don't get more than one bite hardly. Just get that one peck and that's it. You might as well go to another tree. There he is. There he is. Well, I think I'm catching brothers and sisters. They all look the same. God, he knocked the crap out of it. Woo. Yeah, that's a good one. It's a little bigger than the rest of them, for the most part. He laid that mag craw out. Thanks, bud. That was fun. This is one that should have fish on it. Kind of pulled up here a little bit close. It ought to have fish on it. There he is. Well, I thought it was a lot bigger. Gonna be bigger than that. Well, he hit it hard. All right, buddy. I appreciate it. That's a good one to quit on.